this elephant get into the park then? I'm telling you it's real. If he doesn't believe me, how am I going to get you home? An elephant's as rare as a dodo bird these days.
The police car is at the fire station. The fire truck's at the airport. The airplane's on top of the restaurant. People are hanging out of windows. Buildings are moved. And you've completely taken apart City Hall.
Gee, I guess we haven't any. Gosh, I haven't any. I better be going. How do you get to the Castle of Names? Look, we have names. Yours is Raggedy Ann, and mine is Andy.